Hey, 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 ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina right here, and I am your prosperity coach. And if you're watching this video right now, you want to learn how to do a three-way call, all right? And so a three-way call is what I call an income producing activity, all right? The more three-way calls you do, the more money you will make, all right? So make sure that you have a pen and paper really quick. Okay, you should have your pen and paper. And so the first thing that you want to do is edify. You want to make sure that you are edifying the person that you are doing the three-way call with, all right? So if it's me, you want to make sure that you edify me, right? Let them know, hey, I am in business with this girl named Sabrina Wright. She's a wife, a mother, and a serial entrepreneur. She's doing some amazing things here in this business, and I can't wait to put you on the line with her. You know, she's a very busy woman, so I'm going to reach out to her really quick to see if we can get a hold of her, all right? And so that is all you have to do. Edify the person that you are doing the three-way call with, which should be your upline, all right? If I'm your upline, then you should be making sure that you are letting me know, for one, that you are doing a three-way call. I need to know that you are doing a three-way call. I need to know the person's name that I'm talking to, all right? And preferably where they're from, their name and where they're from. You have to shoot me a text and say, hey, Sabrina, I have Mickey Mouse on the line, and I want her name is she's from Miami, and I'm gonna go ahead and merge her on the call, all right? But what you should have already done to Mickey Mouse is you should have already told Mickey Mouse, hey, I partnered with this girl named Sabrina Wright. She's an awesome, amazing mother, author, and a serial entrepreneur. She's doing some amazing things in network marketing, and I want to put you on the phone with her to make sure that you know that you not only have me, but you also have her as well, all right? And so you go ahead and put them on the phone with me so that I can close the deal, all right? And so some things need to take place before you do the three-way call, and that is that you should have already shared the opportunity video. Please do not get me on the line or your upline if you have not already shared some type of information, whether it's a brochure, whether it's a magazine, whether it's a video. You need to make sure that you have already shared some type of information about the business with that individual, all right? So only thing that I am doing is closing it out. I'm gonna ask that person, hey, what did you like most about the video or the brochure or whatever it is about the information that you watched? And so they should be able to tell me what they like most because you already shared the information, all right? And see, once you already share the information, then that gives the person a chance to have questions, right? If you put them on the phone with me already and I'm asking them what they like most about the video or the information that they already saw, and they have no idea what I'm talking about, it makes my job hard, all right? And so the very first thing you want to do is make sure that you have shared the opportunity video or something, magazine, brochure, something, so that they have some type of information so that when I get on the phone, I can close the deal out, all right? And so you want to make sure you already share some information with them. You want to make sure that you edify your upline, the person that you're going to put them on the phone with. And listen, friends, you got to make sure that you edify this person so good and use the last name. All right, when you use a person's last name, it shows respect. Don't call me on through and say, hey, I got Sabrina on the phone. You can call me Sabrina all day long, but when you do the three-way call, you need to make sure you say Miss Wright. All right, Miss Wright, because that shows a level of respect. Okay, and so you want to make sure that you do that as well, okay, friends? And so I'm gonna run back through this really quick. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the person has seen some type of information about Tava or whatever business that you're in. And then the second thing you want to do is make sure you edify the person that you are doing your three-way with, which should be somebody on your team or your upline. All right. So once you edify that person, you want to make sure that the person that you're doing the three-way with, that you're edifying knows that you are going to call them on three-way. You have already sent a text. You've already scheduled this appointment, right? And so now everything just falls in place, all right? And so that is how you do a three-way call. All right. So if you have any more questions, you guys can reach out to me. It should be a link at the bottom of this video that you can email me any questions that you may have, guys. Listen, it's time to do, be, and have your heart's desires. So don't play with your future, friends. All right. Don't play with your future. One of the ways to get closer to your future and closing deals is doing three-way calls. So make sure the more three-way calls that you do, the more successful your business is. All right. So my name is Sabrina Wright, and I am your prosperity coach. I have a company motto, and that is you deserve to win. Take action, friends. I love you. Bye-bye.